Hello everyone and welcome to Tutorials Simplified. Today we're going to be looking at if functions. If functions is a formula, and before I even dive into anything, I want to explain what expressions are. An Excel expression is a formula or statement that results in a single value. In other words, it gets evaluated. We have around 6 comparison operators: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. I can write an expression that says 5 is greater than 2, and 5 is actually greater than 2, so it returns true. I can write a false statement by saying 5 is greater than 8. We all know that 5 is not greater than 8, so this returns false. So an if statement checks for these conditions, and based upon the results of this condition, it gives a result. This is the data that I want to use for this example. So I'm going to try to write an if statement here. So I'm going to write an equal to put the formula there and say if. And as you can see, it says the logical test, which is an expression that can be evaluated to true or false. So I can say something like this is a score, and I'm trying to calculate if it's above 50. If it's above 50, then it's above average. If it's below 50, then I should say below average. So I can say something like if, then I can refer to this value here. So I can say if this is greater than 50, then we want to do something if it's greater than 50. So we want to say above average. If it's less than 50, I'll say below average. That's about it. So if that's greater than 50, then above average. If it's not greater than 50, then it's definitely 50 or less than 50. So in this case, this is just a simple if formula. Then this is below average, and 74 is actually above average. However, we have a problem here. We have 50, which is actually average. It's not below average, and it's not above average. For this, we'll have to put multiple conditionals, and that's beyond the scope of this tutorial. I will create another video that clearly explains this concept. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to stay notified so you don't miss out on future videos.